watch out for is Sanjeev Singh and Mr. Eddie Singh.
That's him. That's him.
Sanjeev and Eddie. Yo. Sir, please go on. The interview is on.
No, you take the email ID. You give her your email ID.
Surely.
She'll send you the pictures. She has high resolution which you require for printing.
पर Chinese camera काम नहीं करता है.
Thanks, Sanjeev.
So we are actually about a 5-year-old club. There are 3 people who started it, which is Lakshmi and Sarvinder. Both are not here, and myself. We just got together and we started.
Sarvinder जी ऐसे लगते हैं थोड़ा सा little bit like this.
Then we started adding members, and then we got onto the Yahoo group. So we are on the Yahoo group. Research engine, if you type Northern India Off-Road Club, so you will reach our site. And there are very few pictures there because we got and after that, I think the basic thing about this whole club is that over here everybody is an equal, as you can see. There are guys who can buy each other out 10 times. We have 60 members last count.
160 हो गए?
162 के करीब था. 2 members, 1 or 2.
2 को निकालने वाले हो आप तो 160 रह जाएंगे.
60 रह गए. 2 बंदे निकाल रहे हैं.
कौन?
Who else? And
Eddie.
संजीव वो ही संजय ना.
So whenever we put a
Okay, here comes Eddie.
the OTR to happen.
That's funny.
So, this is like yesterday in the evening I put the mail. And so many people are already here. And
2002 में आप लोगों ने start किया.
2002 November or December something. So 2003 समझ लीजिए.
Let us show some off-roading.
Practical purposes.
थोड़ी off-roading कर लें.
And after that, so basically the club is about helping one and each other. It's about camaraderie, getting together, having fun, getting away from your humdrum life, and for 4 or 5 hours, 6 hours, everybody's happy here. Nobody
Yeah, true.
phones.
Very rejuvenating.
It's a break from your daily routine. Even though we are feeling warm and it is hot and you're not having very good food, but the kind of happiness that you see over here, cracking your pulling already.
Uncomparable.
It's amazing. That's what people come for. And besides this, we have like Madan. Look at him.
Madan ji.
They are, they are restoring vehicles, jeeps, which are no longer, no longer made. So they are preserving a part of our automobile history. So he has over 100 vehicles.
125.
125.
Over 100, I said. And
He's the
I have
man.
the oldest Jeep in the club, which is 1942 World War Jeep. Sarvinder, my colleague, he's not here. So we have people who are preserving that heritage, and we are getting a group together. And this is about helping one another. We don't leave a disabled Jeep behind. Koi kharab ho gaya, somebody will pull it. We'll repair it. And over here there is no hierarchy. It is a group. So since we are seniors, so we sort of have a word. So we'll do this, we'll not do this. We'll do that. Besides this, we also involve the families. And we have, like today, we have a family OTR. Winters normally, summer is very, very hot. We come in May and June also. And the children also come, the wives come. And we have cookouts. We have night OTRs where people will bring raw food from home. We'll go out somewhere in the jungle. We'll have a cookout, and we have a couple of drinks, have some khana, and come back. So midnight. So this is a way of sort of being close to nature also. And as you will see that nobody will leave any of this litter behind. We have bags here. Everything will be taken away. So we don't sort of destroy nature, we preserve it. And that's basically what we are doing.